morning. Welcome to day 4. Right, yesterday I had the unfortunate mishap of having a muscle spasm in my back, and I basically could not move. So I took a day out. I had a 0, as they say, and went to the doctors twice, got some painkillers. It kind of eased it up a bit, and I made a new plan in that my support team, my wonderful parents, will be picking me up. So I've left my tent with them. So I've got a much lighter pack, which is great. The teddy in the window has a lot of fan mail. There we go. Nice little boathouse. The autumn colours are coming through, slowly but surely. How's that for a slice of awesomeness? I'm gonna get the camera out. Derwent water, that's what it's called. Some geese up ahead. Could be fun. No geeses. Walk. Interesting. It's broken off on that side and it's come from up there. So it must have spun as it fell and landed like that, which is quite amazing. We've got some wonderful fungi growing up there. Beautiful. I'll take a snap of that. gorgeous little gate and bridge. Isn't that awesome? Honey. Just approaching Keswick, I think. Reckon that's it in the distance there. The gimbal's going all gimbally. What's going on? I changed the mode. Alright. Recenter it. That's good. Nice flat flowering landscape. Wonderful. So, that was Keswick. Lovely little town. Couldn't show you much because of the people. Go see it. I'm looking the wrong way. Good. Nice little garden, isn't it? Chip chop over the bridge. I'm on the path to the mountain Skiddaw. It's rather steep. It feels good to be going uphill. I'm not going over Skiddaw, I'm going around it, around the back of it basically, following the Cumbria Way. I did contemplate going up it, but it's all in cloud, it's very steep, probably very dangerous, and yeah, there's no point if you can't see anything. As you can see, the view's rather covered. But it's still nice. Very wet. Very wet indeed. Path is still going up. Love it. Lovely views. Despite the mist and the rain and the clouds that are getting ever closer to my head. There's a grass greener on this side. You want to come through? I think you do, don't you? You're right, little lass. See ya. Almost at cloud level. Oh, as you can see behind me, there's not much. Oh, right. Yeah, not much to see. Fantastic. I'm now pretty much in the clouds. Just past two gentlemen who had passed me earlier, and they have given up and turned back because it's too miserable up here. Yeah, I have to go through. I have no choice. So that's what I'm gonna do. Blimey. Yeah, right. This is looking dangerous. So I'm gonna concentrate. Catch you guys later. Mud, glorious mud. Yeah, yep. Isn't it lovely, marvellous? I think I've gone the wrong way. Well, that looks nice and stable. So, just had a look at the map. I've done about 16 kilometres, so about 10 more to go. Be a couple of hours, I reckon. Should take me to about 4 o'clock, so I'll probably be an hour early. So I think I'll just slow down the pace a bit. Maybe. I don't know, it's keeping me warm. Hello, Mr. Sheep. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. Yeah, here. Don't be afraid. You're on film. Yeah, the weather's absolutely lovely. Have a look at that. It's just rain and mist and rain and the odd wall every now and again. Isn't it grand? Through the muddles, the marsh and the bog, and hope that my foot doesn't disappear again. Yep. Okay, maybe it is going to take longer than I thought, if it's all like this. Just past Skiddaw house, and back on the Cumbria Way, heading around the back of Skiddaw, and that is a wall of cloud that's just about to engulf me. So, yeah. Short break. Just put my jacket under my cagoule because it's getting a bit nippy, and my t-shirt's wet through because of the water coming through the opening. Yeah, you just can't keep it out. Good. So, onwards and upwards. Seems to be brightening up now. Which is nice. Well, Behind me, it's still the grey mist of doom, and overhead, it seems to be brightening up. Way! That looks pretty cool. That's that house in the distance. Skiddaw house. It's a hostel. Only opens at 5 PM. I was hoping maybe I could get a cup of tea or something, but no, apparently they don't do that. I think I'm at the end of the lakes. There's Flatlands ahead. It's a shame. I've enjoyed these mountainous bits, despite being very strenuous. It's all very pretty, even in the rain and the mist. Ah, that looks awesome. Look at this. There you go. How's that for a craggy crag? There's a noticeable difference between the mountains up ahead and the ones I've just come from. They don't look as large, dominating, and it all looks like farmland. So yeah, I'm leaving the wilds of the Lake District. There be the hills in the background. Where I come from? This is where I'm going. Right. You guys are just too slow. You could have done a runner. Terrible. So that was stressful. Been chased through a field by cows, sunk up to my ankles in mud. I was thinking, oh, my boots are nice and clean after all that rain. Yeah, not anymore. Yeah. Anyway, almost at Bassenthwaite. Not far to go now. So yeah, just gotta keep soldiering on. Yeah, the paths were not exactly well defined in the last part. It's all the farmland, and yeah, I'm pretty sure the farmers don't like you walking through their fields. I don't know. Sometimes I get that feeling that to make it extra difficult for you by putting cows in them. I'm gonna leave you here. Yeah, start again at the pub tomorrow. I'll be picked up there. My ride is already waiting for me, so that's good. And yeah, I'll be dropped off there tomorrow morning to do the next section, which will be, I think it's about 18 or 20 kilometers. It's an interesting thing doing a through hike, because it's something I've never done before. This day after day after day of walking. It's fine if you're not carrying too much weight, but my rucksack was way too heavy, and that's why I was struggling in the beginning. So yeah, live and learn. So this is me signing off for today. Catch you all tomorrow. you like it, subscribe if you like, and yeah, catch you all later. Tatty, bye now.